Take a look at the products you use on a daily basis, from phones and computers to cooking utensils and cups. Ask yourself if their form and function are truly suited to yourself as the user. More often than not, the answer is no, but we make do with what's available to us. The speed, efficiency and low cost of mass manufacturing has provided us with unprecedented access to amazing products. But it comes at the expense of customization, which can lead to health issues such as repetitive strain injury or simply a lack of enjoyment and comfort when using a product. In this project, we're going to look at a design workflow that allows us to transform an off-the-shelf product into an ergonomic solution customised for an individual. The process begins by selecting a product to transform and performing an analysis on its form and function to understand the necessary areas of improvement. You'll then create a series of clay explorations with the aim of identifying the perfect form for the specific person using the product. Guided by a tutorial video, you'll 3D scan your product and clay model before using the data to design a solution that attaches to your product, transforming it to serve the needs and wants of your chosen user. Through an iterative process, your creation will be brought to life with 3D printing technology and put to use in the world. Let's get creative with customization.